Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some fog and low cloudiness out there this morning. Should see that erode as we move in the late morning hours into the afternoon hours. Should see a period of partly cloudy skies this afternoon, but overall, going to see more clouds and sun today, as well as that low cloudiness this morning, and that will build back in, for the evening hours with some more low cloudiness and fog for overnight. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 13,000 feet. Winds light in the low levels and becoming southwesterly around 15 to 20 knots between 3 and 12,000 feet. And then seeing our winds increase and seeing a peak wind this morning out of the west-southwest, 20,000 feet at 37 knots. Looking at our surface analysis, we have this coastal stationary boundary as well as a stationary boundary across the Ohio Valley. High pressure wedged in between those two. That's going to be providing us with fairly tranquil conditions other than the low cloudiness across the region for the next several days. So taking a look at the European model and how that's going to play out for the next several days. This is for this evening. You see not much in the way of rainfall activity across the region. It does try to pop up a few light sprinkles or light rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Not really expecting much of a chance of that occurring, as we'll have a lot of low-level cloud cover across the region. The model could just be picking up on that low-level cloud cover, depicting some drizzle across the area for tomorrow morning. Moving into Thursday, going to see continued high pressure in control. That's going to provide us with morning fog, leading to partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions during the afternoon for the entire week. And move into Friday, going to see the area high pressure continuing to provide us with tranquil conditions. Can't rule out some drizzle across the region. So this Friday, we'll have this area high pressure building in from the northeast. That could provide us with some more drizzle across the area, or a better chance, I should say, of drizzle on Friday. But overall, not really going to see high chances whatsoever of rainfall this week. Should remain dry. And then moving to Saturday, going to see a cold front starting to approach from the west. That should allow us to see a little bit warmer conditions on Saturday. Moving to Sunday, should see that cold front try to move through the region, and that'll provide us with a chance of some showers on Sunday. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high of 75 today, a low of 62 tonight. Winds light in general. Southwest, 5 to 10 knots today, becoming variable, less than 5 knots overnight. We'll see those low clouds in here for the late morning into the early afternoon hours, and should see a period of VFR conditions we move into later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. Then should see those low level clouds build back in. Going to see our 24-hour terminal forecast with those cloud ceilings around 1,000 to 1,500 feet this afternoon. Going to see cloud ceilings rise or possibly 3,000 feet or higher after 1,400 local. And then we should see those clouds build back in, for the evening hours after 20 local at 1,500 foot ceilings. And then overnight, we'll see that fog in the region, low level cloudiness. Could be seeing ceilings down to 300 feet or so with some restricted visibilities as well. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday will have morning fog and low clouds and partly to mostly cloudy and warm, high of 76 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with fog and low clouds likely, a low of 60. And for Thursday, chance of morning fog, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy and warm, high of 74 degrees. Likely conditions of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet in visibility, below a mile, from time to time Wednesday morning, Wednesday overnight, and then Thursday morning with the continued fog across the region or low clouds. So looking at the next 7 days, very similar weather story for today through Saturday. AM fog and then PM partly to mostly cloudy conditions. Temperatures ranging from the mid-70s to the lower 70s, depending on how much of that low-level cloud cover can erode during the afternoon. Looks like today and tomorrow will be the warmest in the mid-70s, 75, 76 degrees respectively. And then 74 on Thursday, 71 on Friday, 73 on Saturday. Then we introduce some chances of rain showers for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures remaining in the lower mid-70s, mostly cloudy skies. Only a slight chance of seeing those rain showers in here, as I mentioned, as the front looks like it's not really timing out very well on the models, and that does not provide me with much certainty of when that front will arrive and how much moisture will be associated with that front boundary. So only going with a 20% chance on Sunday and Monday. Our lows will be in the lower 60s, it looks like, until we move into Sunday night into Monday when that front approaches from the west. Should give us a little bit more southwesterly flow on Sunday and Monday, providing us with a slightly warmer low of 65 degrees. Any of these days that we don't see the fog develop, could be seeing those lows in the mid 60s, but right now it does look like that fog will be likely from today through Saturday morning during the morning hours, and we'll continue to see that erode in the afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.